Welcome back into Talking Fitchburg. Joining me this afternoon is Bill Balke. He is from our city engineer or city engineering group, however you want to say it. Bill, he's the guy. He's the guy with the plan. And he's here to talk to us about the Fish Hatchery Road reconstruction project. We know this is coming down the pipeline here pretty quick. And you are bringing us some news today on the draft plans and more of the utility work that will be going on kicking off this year.
All right.
Stealing your thunder.
Hey, you said it.
All right. Well, that's a great show. We'll see you next time.
Okay. No, actually, we've been over the past few months completing our final designs for the roadway project and finalizing the staging and utility work through that area. So we just updated our website. We put on the draft plans that we have to date on there, and it's the complete set that we have so far. It's continuing to evolve as we get into more of the details, but for the most part, we've got a pretty good set of where the road is going and different cross sections through the area.
So that's what we see here is the draft utility plans. Is that correct?
Yes.
And then you have these broken down into the 5 areas here. So just taking a look at section 1 here, what kind of walk us through a little bit of what we're looking at, just so
Sure.
For folks like me who have no engineering background or any great background at all, can read this plan.
Sure. As we're looking through this, the front part of it will be your typical cross sections of what's out there now, what's being proposed. So it'll show you the different lanes that we're going to have out there for travel and sidewalks and trails and different locations throughout the project corridor. And then we get into some more details and further on in the plan that shows what the plan view would be, and then we've got what the storm sewer would be and electrical, and so there's lots of different sections in there. We're just being transparent, putting it all out there for people to look at. There's still more refinement to be done, and we'll get through it for over the next couple months.
Yeah, so this kind of gives you a breakdown of what the road looks, basically what they're going to be doing as they move on out there, all the way down to, like you said, stormwater and more. And it's a lot of planning that goes into these things. How long have you guys been working on this project?
Since January of 2018.
That's crazy. That is crazy. What type of the utility work will be going on going into the fall here of this year?
We're bidding the entire project out, but it's going to be done in almost essentially 3 phases. The first phase will be, as you mentioned, the utility work going in. That would be sewer and water. And we're also looking at doing some of the offline work from the main road at Greenway Cross, which would include the road extension or the road section revision there and a little mini roundabout over where Bryant is. And then down at McKee Road, we're planning on shifting the entire intersection to the south. So we'll be performing some construction down there this fall as well to build in the new turn lanes. So it won't interrupt any traffic flow through there, but next year when we start up the main construction on Fish Hatchery Road, the traffic will be able to get on that new section of road we built in 2019.
Because of the length of this, it's still going to be done in 1 year?
That's what we're anticipating. We've got a main line opening of November. So we've got it broken up into 4 phases where we're going to start from south to north, flip over, and then do north to south.
That's pretty common for construction projects?
Yes.
Isn't that like an inside joke or something? That you always start south and work your north?
This way it is.
No other way here.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, no, it said as we were looking, viewers are looking at the maps here, Bill, of the breakdown, and the website's got great information. We recorded all the public information meetings ahead of this. You got the exhibits on here, so a nice website. What do we see as far as next updates here? What will we hear from you guys moving forward as we get closer to? Well, I guess you got your bidding, but
Right.
So those bids will come back, and you'll is council the final to pick up on those bids and choose? Is that how that ends up?
Yes. So we'll put the project out for bid in July, open them up in August, and then award it shortly thereafter. Then construction will start sometime after Labor Day and work through until we can't work anymore. So,
And then really important too is same with when we were just talking about the roundabout project going on Fitrona. You'll be working with the businesses, and we have Cindy Aggie, a partner, who's also working with the business Verona Road Business Coalition. Will be helping us out with this one as well.
correct.
And that's a good thing.
Yeah. She'll be reaching out to all the businesses, making sure that they're informed of all of our construction decisions we make on a weekly basis. So everybody will have that information and be able to adapt accordingly. We're also looking at the neighborhoods that are going to be impacted by the traffic too, and pre-planning what could happen, where the traffic could go. So there's still a little bit more that we have to iron out yet, but we'll try to keep everybody as informed as possible.
Fantastic. Well, if you got any questions, check the website out. It's easy. Or else, Bill, can I send him your direction?
Sure.
Sure. He'll say hi.
Yeah.
We always tell people to call Andrew here when we tell, but you can call Bill now too.
Yeah.
All right, Bill. Thank you so much for the time. We'll look forward to having you back on the show.
It's awesome. Thanks.
All right. We'll take a quick break. You are watching Talking Fitchburg.